Okay, so here's our little gadget over here. They installed it, took them about a day. Minount nila dito sa ilalim ng ating side view mirror. So, what is this? Chigee is a smart riding system. So anything to do with riding to help aid you, to keep you safer, makakatulong po ito. Okay, so what can it do? Hello Jerry, magandang umaga and welcome to my little cave here in Makina.
Sure, good morning. Good morning.
Minessage ako ni King, there's King. And King told me, Zach, meron kaming product. It's called Chigee. So King, long time kasama natin sa media, sabi niya, ano Zach, would you like to check this out? You know what I said?
What?
Chigee na nga. I'm just gonna show you guys, okay? So, nilagyan nila ng rear camera dito. It's not sticking out like a sore thumb. Na-integrate nila dito sa motor with the plastics and all, right? So, meron kang rear cam at meron ka din dito ang front cam.
So, it's basically everything you need for your security and your maintenance and your convenience in a bike.
Wow.
First, you have your live feed monitor that can view front or back camera or front and back camera. So, instead of you looking towards your shoulder pag aatras yung bike mo, you have your reverse cam.
You can just simply glance down.
Yeah, you have your reverse cam na, and basically you can see almost 180 degree from your side. Yung reverse camera function na yan, but it shows you sa screen mo kung anong part of the screen is the other lanes na and directly behind you.
Okay, that's cool.
Makikita mo din doon kung ano yung distance ng object or traffic behind you kasi calibrated properly siya.
Okay, that's nice.
Next, it has blind spot monitoring that will alert you kung may pumipina sa'yo nang hindi mo nakikita sa side.
Wow! Now that is very helpful for us. Mas lalo na yung mga trucks na malalaki na hindi ka nakikita.
It will be able to sense if it's a person, motorcycle, truck, or car. At yung screen mo, you have a caution sign sa it's either left, right, or back.
Magbi-blink. That's pretty great. So hindi lang siya CCTV, may ganun
May blind
pala.
spot sensor siya. At
Sige.
hindi lang yun. If let's say you left your bike on park nang nakatanggal yung susi, it has a built-in sentry mode. It's basically turned off. Now, if someone moves your bike, someone taps your bike, depending on sensitivity setting mo, it will record the instance na gumalaw siya. Or if you see someone na pagbalik mo sa bike may dings and whatever, may dumagdag na gas-gas, napansin mo, you have a recording kung sino gumalaw, ano yung bumaga or whatnot.
Oh wow, okay.
So kahit turned off yung bike.
Wow, that's pretty amazing.
So it's for your safety then, for your security,
Uh-oh.
and for your insurance claim. Then, hindi pa yun. In terms of safety, meron pa. It has a collision lock sensor. So when you're riding and nabagsak yung bike, nabangga ka or whatever, it has a collision lock wherein it will save that video agad.
And how much footage can I record in a day or before I need to erase?
The footage goes in loop. It has a built-in 32 gig micro SD card. It is expandable up to 128 gigs. For my experience, I have one in my personal bike. I travel like 1 hour one way, so 2 hours in a day. I can record 2 weeks of footage. In terms of safety, it has a built-in TPMS also.
Okay.
So it's a tire pressure and temperature sensor.
Okay, where did you hook that up with the tire sensor?
At your valve ng gulong mo, it's basically screw-on lang, sobrang dali lang siya. It will sense your tire pressure, and since air expands on heat, pag ginagamit natin, umiinit yung gulong, it also has a high pressure alert.
How's it connected?
Okay, it's connected via wirelessly, you pair it lang. Convenience naman tayo. We tend to normally buy phone mounts for our bikes, but based on our experience, mas lalo na sa Pinas, napakainit ng araw, nasisira ang phone natin. Prone to damages, mas lalo na kung bilad. Sama mo pa siya ng charger, mas lalong iinit yung phone natin. So, what does it solve? This can mirror your display wirelessly. If you're familiar with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto sa mga kotse natin, it has a built-in Android.
Ang galing. I'm familiar with Android Auto. So, Android Auto, sasakak mo lang eh. Kunyari naka-Waze ka, lalabas na yung pan GPS
The
mo.
moment you turn it on, magkoconnect na agad yung phone mo, and nandun na yung music mo, nandun na yung phone calls mo, nandun na yung maps mo, everything.
Okay.
Ngayon, what's the advantage of that? Nasa-suppress yung mga non-important notifications. So it keeps your eyes on the road, it keeps you focused on riding. That's basically it. Rider integration, bike integration, security, insurance, and convenience.
Convenient. Start it up. Okay, so right off the bat, sumalubong sa akin, sinasabi rin niya kagad sa akin, my tire pressure at the front is 24, at the back it's 27, which is for me low. I like kasi 30. That's what I put in my tires. Tapos meron tayong video So ito yung ating rear. As you can see, yung bahay na yan. Meron din akong front camera over here. You got your meter information. Ayan yung mga nangyayari sa ating motor. I can also do a car link. I can go to Waze. Meron ko Spotify. If I need to pick up calls with my wireless system, pwede. Basically, kung anong meron na na-hook up sa akin telepono, it's gonna be connected via Bluetooth to the Chigee. Also, pagpatay mo, it's also going to show you your riding habits. For example, tapatayin ko lang siya saglit. So, ito yung trip natin. Obviously, hindi ako mandar, pero yun yung information na pinapakita niya. Turning off in 5-4 seconds, you know. We have a very ultra-responsive IPS screen. This is much better than TFT. Meron tayong adaptive screen brightness. So, depending sa sitwasyon mo sa labas, kung tanghalan, tapat, gabi, and so on and so forth. Meron din tayong GPS for speed. Yan. So, dito mo makikita yung totoong speed mo as compared to the stock gauge. It's kind of off. Medyo mas mataas yung nire-register nila dito. Of course, with reviews, we just base it on the stock gauge. But if you're using GPS, mas accurate ito. So for calls naman, dito sa kaliwa, this is where you can access your calls. So if I'm pressing this, there. Wala silang ginawang bagong butas sa bike. Kung ano yung mga existing screws natin, doon lang sila nagkabit niyan. They're charging like 1,500 for installation. Pretty good. So ano masasabi natin? Chigee na nga! It's giveaway time! Mamimigay tayo ng isang CG2 phone holder with wireless charging and vibration damper priced at 6,200 pesos. How to win? Like and share this video, pati na rin yung poster ng Makina Moto Show 2024 na nakapin sa Makina Facebook page. Paki-screenshot yung mga yan at ilagay sa comments below. Pipili tayo ng winner. Tapos, kung hindi kayo manalo, okay lang yan. Basta na-share nyo at na-like yung poster ng Makina Moto Show 2024, 50% off na po kayo agad sa entrance. O, di ba? Everyone is a winner. See you at the show, folks, April 26, 27, and 28 at the SMX Convention Center, Manila. The Makina Moto Show 2024, the biggest moto event in the country. Ito po si Bossak saying, ciao! Makina Stuff, brought to us by Havoline. Havoline, ride strong.